Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin's pulling back right now and everyone's crying. We dropped from 98k to 95k. Not so bad, but a lot of panic in the markets. That tells me that it's still bullish. If everyone was like, oh, don't worry, we can buy more, and they weren't panicking, I would be less bullish. But the fact that they're dropping from 98k to 95 and everyone's panicking, I'm more bullish. Double bottom on the 95. People discussing in the Telegram, volume predicts price. What do you think about this volume? As you learn in the crypto master course, volume predicts price. 3.54 trillion market cap, 722,000 views, Bitcoin price.live. 60k bonus on Bybit if you use this QR code. Link, number one link in the description. It's my favorite exchange. Extreme greed, 80. Bitcoin dominance still around 58%. It still hasn't been updated on the website just yet, but it will be soon. Funding fee positive, 95,181. Double bottom. We're going to jump in technicals for Bitcoin. My account, let's see if it's still holding a million. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. Actually, I want to see first. Oh, we're back under 996. Now we can hit a million again. 996, if you've been following it in the last week, 877 to 996. But it was at 130, so it's a pullback $34,000 since earlier today, but still up 125k this week, this month, almost 300k, which is beautiful. Bitcoin pulling back to 95, almost where I activated my trade. Funding fee has gone back to only 0.01 at 95k, 0.01. That means very low funding fee for Bitcoin. That's amazing. Maybe add more here. But I've got big trades, but it's an okay place to be adding more. If I wasn't already so in enough, I could add more. You can see where I bought it at 90k. But that's a pretty nice place to add, in my opinion. Ethereum pumping 31,000, 20k in world. Let's go into the technicals for Bitcoin in the closer technicals. Most things pull back. Tesla is still growing. Tesla up 1.4%. The rest of the, everything else, pretty much red. All the altcoins, Doge got hit hard. World 6%, Ton, Solana, BNB, everything pulled back on this Bitcoin dip. 95k, 1.4. Let's go into the monthly. On the monthly candles, cup and handle and bull flag still playing out, and the volume is still growing. Weekly candles, we have 6 days remaining. Let's see if the Bitcoin indicator bot fired. The Bitcoin indicator bot fired blew by in February 2023. Now let's see that's the Guru indicator. Bitcoin indicator didn't fire, or did it fire a sell? I can't see. No fire to sell. Let's get rid of this head and shoulders so I can try and see it. It did not yet fire a sell up here, which is beautiful. Bitcoin indicator, but did not fire a sell. So we're still in buy on both indicators. Volume is still growing. Let's go into the daily. Daily, we've got inverse head and shoulders, still bullish pennant. So if it pulls back to the bottom of the bullish pennant, it will be, this is a bullish pennant. So you've got, it's a pole and a flag, and the distance of the pole is the distance that you move out of the bullish pennant. So we're still on a bullish pennant on Bitcoin, and volume did drop though during the holiday weekend. You can see here during the holiday weekend, and then it formed the inverse head and shoulders, and it's dropping. Sorry, head and shoulders. Target is 93k. It hit stop loss from the trade earlier today, even though I called it to pull back. It did hit the stop loss. I would try and take it off this trend line because you can see the inverse head and the bullish pennant, and the head of it is a symmetrical triangle. Builds pressure, and then breaks out to the upside. So we can pull back to the bottom of this line, and most likely will. So I would actually make the trade. I would make the trade off this line, 92k. I would set the trade, because then you can see that it's on this trend line, right? And that's the, if you zoom out, then you see the whole bullish pennant. But if it pulls back this head and shoulders, then 92k would be the bottom of the trend line, and then I do expect it to break out. Bullish pennants are bullish pennants. Builds pressure, breaks out, and then the target would be the base of the bullish pennant. So this distance of the pole. So if we measure this out and it gets delayed to over here, still around 121k. But it would come off 92k if it does play out in this pattern. So this is the trade I would take on Bitcoin, opening at 92k, 92,500, stop loss at 91k, risking 1,600 to make 29,000. 1,600 to make 29,000. 10x leverage would be 290,000. This head on shoulders is playing out right now almost perfectly, unfortunately. and it'll be the base of the head. So we can expect that it goes to this 92K target. So my liquidation is below 92, but it still won't be nice for the market if it drops so much. Let's see. As the ETFs open, we're going to know how the market is going to perform. If the ETFs, I think it's a public holiday, but if the ETFs don't open strong and start buying up, then we do most likely pull back to this 92K. So that's where I'll take the trade on Bitcoin. And I'm currently still in trades, and I'm not getting out of 92, but I do have to make sure my liquidation is at 86. I could add more to the trade at 92. So let's put a Bitcoin order for 92, and then I'll add 2 Bitcoin. 2 Bitcoin at 92,000. That will add to the trade. The order is just sitting there. And this is my futures trade, and then my spot trades. You can see what I'm holding here in spot. Let's go into Ethereum, because I have a big Ethereum trade. My Ethereum trade, even on this pullback, Ethereum is holding up really nicely. Ethereum is holding up with 30K profit on my Ethereum trade. Didn't pull back much, 3,500. Where would I get into an Ethereum trade? 3.5. Clear trend line on the hourly. You can see it's climbing this 200 weekly moving average. There's a quote by Warren Buffett that if all you did was buy the 200 moving average on the top stocks, you would outperform the S&P 500. So if we did that on Ethereum, that means it would pull back to around 3,100. We are in this kind of big pattern. We did break against this big resistance line, and this trend, this pattern goes back 4 years. Same like XRP, builds pressure. Maybe it pulls back to 2,800, unlikely, and then breaks out like that. I do think we tried to come out early, but we got resisted. Maybe it does pull back, but I think at 3,200, there'll just be too much support. You can also see there's big support around 3,000. There's starting to be a lot of support here at 3,400. So I don't think it pulls back in the bull market to these levels, to be honest. But it is possible that we come down if there's some very bad news to 2,400, but very unlikely. Where would I take a long on Ethereum? Still on the channel. You see, it's climbing this channel perfectly. It's been doing it since the 18th. Opening it would be off that channel, 3,000, around where we are right now. Did get sold off, but this is a big support. 3,477, stop loss 3,300, risking $146 to make, and then the bull market target is 7,500. So I risk $146 to make 4,000 per Ethereum. 10x would be $40,000 on the trade, which is beautiful. All the links are down below, and right now there's a course discount on the courses still. You can see here, win $1,000 with JCG, learn from the best and win a lucky JC. So anyone that buys the course within, I think it's like 1 week, they set this promotion. You can check on my X, 40% discount on deal. And the courses have been selling like crazy. And all the links are down below. Bybit, 60K bonus, all the other exchanges, jamescryptoguru.com for the links and for the Telegram. And really, they've been selling like recently, all the courses have been going crazy. I'll show you on my X. It's like days and days of non-stop buying on the courses. Look at this. This is amazing. It's been like this for 3 days. And it really has been. Like every few minutes, it's selling courses, like huge ones. So, such a large number. This anyone who shares WhatsApp socials, I'm going to pick 3 winners of $200 now. Everyone ready? Oh, I'll just do it by the most like replies. Wow, are we still going? Look, it keeps going. Happy new month. Congratulations. Winning $200 because you support that tweet. You shared it to 3 of your friends. I have zero knowledge about crypto, but your videos are congratulations. $200. I did it by the most liked. So you can see here, it's sorted by the most liked replies. So learned a lot. Grace, MCRT. Oh, I picked you already, Grace. Cool, you got 2 of the most liked supplies. So you got 200, 200. Should I give her another 200 because she got 2? I bought one of James' courses, 1,000% worth every penny. Congratulations. 3 winners. My team will contact you guys. Best investment. And you can see what I've been posting on X lately. XRP, I predicted the XRP pump, which is beautiful. This is interesting. Check out this post. It's a very interesting post. Magicraft has some crazy updates that they're producing. There's a $2,000 competition as well for a gift campaign. Bitcoin head and shoulders. I warned everyone actually about this drop. The trade activated though, but I did say to go down below 93 on the stop loss because I did think it would come down to 93 because you can see the head and shoulders. And then we're breaking down a little bit. He's been following me since 150K. Thank you for your beautiful comment. And you can just see everything. This is very important. Check out this chart. What it shows is all the previous bull markets from the halvings. The yellow lines are the halvings. 532 days to reach the top of each bull market on Bitcoin. Less days to reach the first peak. So I should also measure the first peak. But usually it's 530 days. And this time so far, where it's 560 days. Usually, the last one was 560 days, the one before 530 days. From the halving till the peak of the Bitcoin. So that would put us in October 2025. That means we're only 301 days into a 560 day. So we've got 301 days remaining till the peak of bull run of Bitcoin, which would be interesting. But I want to check when Bitcoin how many days before it hit the first peak on the last bull run. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Join us in the Telegram. There's a lot of people in the Telegram right now, around 799 of you online, discussing, talking. You can join them into the conversation. Get the premium version so it translates, but for some reason, Telegram Translate isn't working for me right now. If someone has a fix for it, it would be amazing. Love you all. Big congratulations to the winners. Hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Have an amazing day. I'm staying in all my trades. I haven't sold, and I added more at 92. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.